In this video, I'll detail how to download and install WhatsApp on iPhone X. So if you have any of the iPhone X series, whether iPhone XX, iPhone XR, iPhone X Max, or iPhone X itself, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily download and install WhatsApp on your iPhone X. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to download WhatsApp on iPhone X, all you just need to do is open the App Store, then click on search and search for WhatsApp. Then click on the search button on your iPhone to search for WhatsApp. And if you already have the WhatsApp installed on your iPhone S, it's going to prompt you to update the WhatsApp application. So go ahead and click on the WhatsApp. Then to download the WhatsApp on your iPhone X, click on Get. Once you tap the Get button, just hang on and you'll be prompted to tap the Install button from the pop-up to download and install the WhatsApp application on your iPhone X. Then click Install from the pop-up. Then go ahead and type in your Apple ID password. Then I'm going to type in my Apple ID password like this. Then once you type in your Apple ID password, go ahead and click on the sign in button. And once you can sign into your Apple account on your App Store, then your iPhone X will start downloading and installing the WhatsApp application on your device. Then you should see WhatsApp application downloading and installing on your iPhone X. This might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection and depend on the speed of your phone and performance. So once that is done, just go ahead and open the WhatsApp and set up your WhatsApp. So that is all you need to do to download and install WhatsApp on iPhone X, XX, X Max, and XR. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.